Last year, in 2014, social media marketing officially became the place where 6 and 7-figure earners were born every day. Before that, internet millionaires were rare unicorns. That has changed. Today, social media platforms such as Facebook have become not only large advertising networks, but they've also become the breeding ground for 6 and 7-figure winners. Alright, now check this out. This is a Facebook fan page in the meditation niche. It's called Refresh Your Mind, Body, and Brain, and it has over 2,300 fans. That's not a whole lot of fans, but the cool thing is that this fan page is already making some money, and that's good. But you can only make so much money with so few fans. In order to make more money with it, I need it to grow. The faster it grows, the sooner I can scale my income. This is how I would typically scale a page like this. I would have to go on Google or Bing or Yahoo or some other search engine. I'd have to find good content about meditation, and then I would have to post it manually. I would also have to think of a way to make this post make me money. Every time I want to make updates to my fan page, I have to do this, and that's pretty annoying. You're about to see how I'm going to get more likes and make more money using just this fan page with Qilio 2.0. Qilio 2.0 is going to get me set up with regular, automated posts, and it's going to find high-quality content for me that is guaranteed to go viral. If you've never done this before, then this may sound impossible. And if you are already doing it, then you know how time-consuming and expensive it can be to build content manually. I just showed you an example, so you know how time-consuming it is to do this by hand. Finding content, posting it day in and day out, paying for Facebook ads. Ugh. Introducing Qilio 2.0. This is going to be your new artificial intelligence software, and it's built just for Facebook marketers. My name is Vas Blagodarsky, and I've been doing Facebook marketing since 2011. I've been through all the Facebook Terms of Services changes. I've seen it all. And Qilio 2.0 is by far my favorite marketing automation suite. The intelligent engine that powers Qilio 2.0 is going to change the way you think about pay-per-click ads, and is going to change the way you drive traffic from Facebook, and is going to maximize your profits from your social media campaigns. Let me show you how. Are you ready? Okay, watch carefully, because I am not exaggerating when I say that this may be the most important video demonstration you'll ever see online. This software is a game changer. Okay, Qilio 2.0 is an all-in-one Facebook fan page content curator. It's also a post scheduler, and it's also an analytics suite. 3-in-1. Right now you're looking at Qilio 2.0 dashboard. I get 6 convenient options right here on the home screen. Let's click the content action button. If I want to change the post type, I can do it without going back to the dashboard. I simply choose the one I want from the drop-down box, and done. This is where I get to post my content. Now, after I've chosen my fan page, I can choose one of 3 types of updates: regular content, photos and images, and video content. So let's start with content. Just be aware, I can schedule any of these 3 types of updates directly inside Qilio 2.0. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you ever have those days when you wake up, log onto your fan page profile so you can update it, and you're just sitting there, staring at the screen, wondering, what should I post? I've had that problem all the time, but with Qilio 2.0, I'm never at a loss for words when it's time to get down to business and make some quality posts. Look, I can type in my own status update right inside this box, or I can use the built-in RSS feed grabber, which is on the right-hand side. Or I can grab posts from news sources. Or I can use the built-in content library of status ideas. Or I can search for content using hot trends or chart-topping headlines. And if I ever run out of ideas, I can load more results in with just one click. Or With the Pro version of Qilio 2.0, I can use pre-made post templates, which are down below. This way, I never run out of relevant content to share with my fans, no matter what niche I'm in. It doesn't have to be just one niche. Any niche works with Qilio 2.0. Now, let me show you a little bit more. First, the status ideas. These are concepts that you can adapt to any niche, and they're all built into Qilio 2.0. The reason that each and every one of these suggestions is here is because we've thoroughly tested thousands of status updates. We threw out the losers, and we kept the winners, giving you only proven ideas that are guaranteed to generate engagement on Facebook. These go on for pages on pages on pages. You're never going to run out of fresh stuff to share. Second, the content search. Here, we can get ideas by typing in one keyword and then looking at what pops up in the results. And you don't even have to switch to a browser to do this. It's all done on one screen. Let me type in meditation. Then results appear. And now I have two options. Select and view. If I click view, I will see the original URL that the software found. If I click select, it's going to paste that link into my status update, and then I can write some creative headline inside to generate engagement. Instantly, at the snap of the fingers, a page preview will pop up, and all I have to do now is select when I want to make that post. Do I want to make it now, or do I want to post this later? I get full control here. I don't have to log into Facebook every time to make a post. I can just schedule them out for a week or a month or two in advance. Third, the pre-made templates. Let me go ahead and show you those. All I have to do is click one of the many options that I have here. Instantly, my status update box will populate itself with the template that I selected. This feature works really well if you don't know how to best announce a flash sale on your site, or how to introduce a blog post to your social media community, or how to tell people about a free download that they can have right now, or something along those lines. We have dozens of these templates right here. Any sort of promos that you might want to run can all be announced from inside Qilio 2.0 with lightning fast speed. Fourth, there's the RSS feeds feature. I saved the best for last. Do you ever struggle to find top-notch articles to share with your fan base? We all know what a viral article looks like. It's got hundreds of comments, thousands of likes, it's got millions of views. We've all seen it before, but have you ever been able to get one of your own posts to go viral? Here's how I'm going to do just that. This RSS feed contains quality sources of information, so I can rely on them for grade A articles, how-to manuals, DIY instructionals, exciting videos, product reviews, and whatever else. I can add my own RSS feeds easily with just a couple of clicks, like so. But even if you don't know of any blogs or news sites that have an RSS feed that you think would be a good fit, even if you have no idea what an RSS feed is, that's okay, because there's a built-in library of RSS feeds that is ready for action from the second that you install Qilio 2.0 on your computer. By the way, Qilio 2.0 runs on Adobe Air, which means it works on both PCs and Macs. When you get Qilio 2.0 installed, I suggest that you familiarize yourself with the content library first, because we've buried a number of gems in here. These high-quality sources of information are going to get your page up and running in no time at all, even if you have 0 fans to start with. As a bonus feature, we've also added Hot Trends. Hot Trends lists headlines of news that people are talking about right now. So this list is always updating every single day. Qilio 2.0 updates hot trends in real time, every time you launch the software. So you always have the hottest news at your fingertips. No research required. It's all automated. Under Hot Trends, we added a second bonus feature. This one is called Top Headlines. Unlike hot trends, which don't necessarily come from news sources only, Top Headlines scours the world's most read publications, such as The Economist, The New York Times, and other magazines and newspapers. This way, you'll have well-written content, and it's never going to be further than just a couple of clicks away. Easy, fast, and fully automated. Isn't this just the most useful Facebook marketing tool you've ever seen? If you want to make a post immediately, you can do that. And if you want to make a post at a later time, you can do that as well. There's no other software out there that gives you this degree of control. If you're not loving what you're seeing right now, wait until I show you the rest of the tabs inside Qilio 2.0. You know how Qilio 2.0 just fed us some exciting news headlines? Want to know how the software knew to look for meditation-related headlines? This is it. Under keywords and hashtags, we can specify our key terms, which Qilio 2.0 will use to find those exciting news headlines. Your fans are going to love these. Share links used to be a struggle for me. I used to spend hours researching content, building spreadsheets, filling out my status box on Facebook manually, and then I would have to come online at certain times to make the post visible to the public. All of that used to take up too much work, used to take up too much of my time, but not anymore. Because with Qilio 2.0, I can schedule a bunch of updates in as little as 10 or 15 minutes. And my fan page will do all the heavy lifting for me, while I can take off on a road trip, or go to the beach for the weekend, or just hang out with my friends. I can schedule updates a day in advance, a week in advance, a month in advance, 3 months in advance, or more. Everything about my posts is fully customizable, down to the thumbnail image. Speaking of thumbnail images, let me show you the built-in image editor. This one comes with all the bells and whistles that you'd expect from a state-of-the-art image editor, but it's built into Qilio 2.0, so you don't have to start some image editor to create a button or a thumbnail image. It's all right here. Unlike other image editors, which you have to buy and install separately, here you get access to this tool when you purchase Qilio 2.0 with no extra fees. It's really cool because it has all the features you could ever want from a graphics editor, and then some. Qilio 2.0 is available for a limited time only to the first 1,000 buyers. If you are not among the first 1,000 buyers, Qilio 2.0 will disappear forever. We can only handle so many users at this point, so after the 1,000th person purchases Qilio 2.0, this offer will go offline forever. The price is very low right now, but it will be increasing soon, and the sooner you buy, the more you'll save. And if you're completely unsatisfied with what Qilio 2.0 can do for your fan pages, even if it doesn't do only one of the promises that I've outlined to you today in this video, I want you to get your money back, 100%. Within 30 days, you'll be able to get a full refund if you're unhappy with Qilio 2.0 for any reason whatsoever. That is a guarantee. What are you waiting for? Sign up for Qilio 2.0 right now while the price is still low. Only the first 1,000 charter member licensee holders will be allowed in. So please don't delay. Do your Facebook fan pages a favor. Do your Facebook followers a favor. And get Qilio 2.0 so you can start growing faster, so you can start making more money, and so you can finally scale like the pros. See you inside.